As the chair of the Further Education and Skills Cross-Party Group, I've heard first-hand from colleges about the need to improve vocational pathways and the success that junior apprenticeships are having in the areas in which they take place. Estyn found that those junior apprenticeships are highly effective at re-engaging learners at risk of becoming NEET and are associated with excellent attendance and attainment. And also, they are successful in supporting progression into post-16 education, training and employment. Programmes in Cardiff, Bridgend and elsewhere in Wales show their clear value. Yet despite that success, junior apprenticeships are only available in 5 local authorities, and I very much support recommendation 3 of the report that junior apprenticeships should be expanded so that they are available across Wales, and I'm very glad the Welsh Government has accepted that recommendation. But along with that, funding, of course, adequate funding is necessary.